Hi everyone, this is the Santorini Dave review of the beautiful Casa Delfino Hotel in Chania. Casa Delfino is our favorite hotel in all of Crete, a gorgeously restored Venetian mansion that's been inhabited by the same family for 6 generations and is just steps from Chania's waterfront. The hotel is centered around a gorgeous courtyard with scattered tables spread out around the shade of a large tree. Each of the hotel's 24 rooms and suites are individually decorated with Italian furniture and white marble. Many rooms include jacuzzis and balconies that face out to the courtyard. The hotel features a luxury spa on the ground floor, while on the roof is a spectacular rooftop bar with panoramic views. The presidential suite has a private panoramic roof terrace with harbor and sea views and is one of the finest accommodations in all of Chania. There's also a small boutique gift shop, and staff here are extremely knowledgeable and helpful in suggesting great local excursions and possibilities for day trips. Both sides of the hotel are accessed from pedestrian alleyways in the tangle of the old town, and a swimmable beach, the Maritime Museum, and other Chania attractions are only minutes' walk away. Handfuls of great restaurants and shopping can be found as soon as you exit the hotel, and overall, the very walkable city offers a charming vibe and buzzing social ambiance. As always, you can find lots more detailed information about Chania, Crete, and the rest of Greece's most popular destinations across the pages of our website, santorinidave.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it with a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel, as we are constantly adding new content that will help you in planning your visit to Greece and beyond. Thanks for watching.